How to map OneDrive to File Explorer. Want an easy access to OneDrive directly from a File Explorer? Mapping it is quick and helps streamline your workflow. Let's walk through it. First, ensure the OneDrive app is installed on a PC. If it's not, download it from Microsoft website and install. Open OneDrive and sign in using your Microsoft account. Once signed in, the OneDrive folder will automatically appear in the File Explorer. You'll now see OneDrive listed on the left sidebar in the File Explorer. Click on it to access all the synced cloud files instantly. And that's it. You've successfully mapped OneDrive to your File Explorer. Convenient, quick, and always ready. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos just like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.